Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. What to expect? Samsung has been one of the leading brands in the true wireless earbuds market, offering a range of products that cater to different needs and preferences. The Galaxy Buds Pro, launched in 2021, were the flagship earbuds that boasted impressive features such as active noise cancelling, 360 audio, and voice detection. However, Samsung didn't release a successor to the Galaxy Buds Pro in 2023, opting instead for the more affordable Galaxy Buds FE. This left many fans wondering when the next-gen Galaxy Buds Pro would arrive. According to recent reports, Samsung is working on a new pair of earbuds, allegedly called the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, that are expected to be launched in 2024. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is rumored to feature improvements in sound quality, battery life, and design, as well as some new features that could make it stand out from the competition. One of the possible new features is the support for aptX Lossless, a Bluetooth codec that can stream high-resolution audio up to 1 megabytes per second. This would allow the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro to deliver superior sound quality to a wider range of devices, not just Samsung smartphones. Another potential feature is the improved iOS compatibility, which would enable iPhone users to access the Galaxy Wearables app and customize their earbud settings such as ANC level, EQ presets, and Spotify tap. Of course, these are just speculations based on leaks and rumors, and Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet. However, if the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro do come with these features, they could be a game changer in the true wireless earbuds market. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung has in store for us in 2024.